Today we will walk you through properly installing the dome glass for your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or S20 Ultra. It's so easy. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, before attempting to install your dome glass, you need to make sure your screen touch sensitivity is turned on. Just click on the settings, scroll down to where it says touch sensitivity, and make sure it's on. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove any fingerprints already saved on the phone. Don't worry about it, as we will resave them later. Now, go ahead and power off the device. Now that we're ready, the first step is to use the black masking tape to cover the top, bottom, and right side of the phone to protect any liquid from accidentally spilling on the phone. Make sure none of the pieces of tape covers the screen in any way. Next, completely wipe the screen with an alcohol pad. Make sure you get along the edges as well. Now, dry it off with the cleaning cloth. Place your S20 in the bottom tray, making sure your speaker is at the top. Here is the adhesive tape to cover the top area. Make sure it just covers only the top. There is a small slit in the tape that fits into the bottom tray that helps make sure you can align it correctly. Attach it just like this. Place the top tray over the phone. Here is the pin. Please insert it in the top like so. These are the absorption pads. If they're not already inserted, please insert them now. Grab one of the dust removal stickers and gently pat against the screen to make sure there is no dust particles on the screen. Next, place the position bridge over the phone. Then, grab one of the tubes of Loka, twist the colored cap and place it inside the round hole in the position bridge. Then, twist the black cap and allow all the liquid adhesive to pour out from the bottle. Then, carefully remove the bridge. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and place the glass in the tray. Start at the bottom and carefully lean it onto the pin. This is the new installation guide and the sticker handle. Fold the handle like so. On the installation guide, one side has a rectangle on it, one side is completely smooth. Place the handle on the smooth side above the circle, opposite the two grooves on the bottom. Then, carefully place the guide into the grooves on the bottom and lean it against the glass. The next steps are very important. Carefully tilt the bottom tray by pressing down. Make sure you remove the pin right when the adhesive reaches the bottom of the guide circle as shown. The glass will drop, allowing the adhesive to spread evenly. Wait 100 seconds for it to completely spread. Once it has completely spread, then gently remove the installation guide. Next, we will cure the screen onto the device. Place the UV light at the top and cure for 15 seconds. Then, move the light to the bottom and cure for another 15 seconds. Now, remove the top tray case, adhesive tape, and carefully remove your S20 from the bottom tray. Once removed, wipe it down again with a new alcohol pad, especially along the edges. For stage 2, we will finish the curing process by placing the UV light again at the top and curing for 1 minute, and then at the bottom for another minute. You can repeat this process and cure for 1 more minute at the top and then 1 final minute at the bottom. Remove the black masking tape on the phone. That's it, your dome glass is installed. Next, you will just need to set up your fingerprints. Navigate to your settings and then to biometrics and security. It will ask you to enter your PIN. Once you do enter it, you can begin to scan your fingerprint. Just press down on the sensor as so. We recommend you register the same finger 2 different times at different angles. Now you're done. Go ahead and test it out. Enjoy a whole new touch and the flawless edge-to-edge protection only dome glass can provide. I really hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Have a great day.